Hello, today I'm in Washington, D.C., and I'm in the Senate office building today, and we're going to be talking to Rick Scott about matters that are important for landlords in Florida. We've been talking to representatives in the House office building earlier this morning, and one of the items that's particularly important to landlords in Florida is the 30-day notice that is required by the CARES Act. So the CARES Act was passed during 2020 when COVID was causing people to be concerned about losing their housing. We had the eviction moratorium, and one of the other pieces of that was a 30-day notice if you paid rent late. Now, all the other provisions of that law have sunset with COVID, but the 30-day notice is still in effect, and that's caused problems in Florida. So if someone pays late now, instead of giving them a 3-day notice, we have to give them a 30-day notice, and that causes issues with, if I was a renter and I had paid late and I was told I have 30 days to pay this, I would take 30 days to pay it, and that's what we see is happening. So renters will get 30 days late and then never catch up. So typically a 12-month lease, a landlord, if a tenant gets late, could expect only 11 months of rent, and that's obviously an issue that is hurting landlords in Florida. It's also hurting tenants as well, because landlords are starting to realize that they could lose out a month's rent, so they're asking for bigger deposits or last month's rent paid up front, so they're protected from that. So that's an additional obstacle for renters moving in. That's a lot of extra money they've got to come up with. So we are talking to our representatives and our senators about getting that part of the law changed.